Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of May 11th in my personal wide ring bound planner. This planner is from Print Pression and I do have a full setup linked down in the description below. I am going to be using this kit from Planning World. Her kits don't have names, but this is B197 and it's gold foil. It is the B6 format, so it's got the squared off boxes. I absolutely love her B6 kits. So you just get like a little bit of functional stuff, date covers and checklists, some bows and the headers, etc. And this is like this gorgeous rainbow work from home kind of thing. And I actually have a fairly busy week this week. We have a lot of house stuff going on and I have one extra work thing this week, which is like a quarterly report that I do that's like associated with the regular weekly thing I do. Anyway, so I thought this was perfect for this week and I am going to open up my planner. So here are my inserts. I was going to say jump in, but I meant open this up to show you the inserts. Anyway, these are from Jesenia's Printables. They are B6 size inserts, even though this is a personal wide ring bound. I've been getting a couple questions on that lately, so I just thought I would mention that. And this is, I just have one set of B6 size inserts. The rest of the inserts in here are personal wide size, and I don't find that it sticks out too much or anything like that. And I do cut my dashboards a little bit larger so that you can't see any of the paper tipping over the edge. Anyway, this is a week on 3 pages plus notes it's called. It's got like this double sidebar, which I use for weather and meal planning, then Monday through Thursday, Friday through Sunday, and here's the note section, which I use to pre-plan for the next week. So here is my spread from last week. It's currently Sunday. This was the Two Little Bees kit that I used. I absolutely love this and used every sticker in this kit, and I'm still really obsessed with that fact. Anyway, so I am going to pull out these pages and jump in. So I have the date covers from the kit and I'm going to use these, which are from a Rose Colored Days sampler add-on. I was just like really struggling with what date dots I wanted to use this week because I don't know, the script is like so fine, but it's also, it doesn't bother me that shops don't always have the same gold foil, but sometimes when you put things really close together, it becomes really noticeable. And usually like it doesn't bother me, but when I was pulling stuff out for this week, I don't know why, it was just driving me insane. I don't have any Planning World date dots, so that would have like the exact same foil. And then I was going to use these really little ones, but then I was like, oh, I want to save those for kits where there's not a lot of, date covers where there's not a lot of space. And I basically spent way too long thinking about date dots. I kind of think it was like a little bit of procrastination because there is only very limited quiet time in the house with like everyone home all of the time. And I have, like I said, my quarterly report thing is due out this week. And it's not even like that much work, but it's more work. I have to like go through some company earnings and stuff like that. It's just not super fun, especially right now because like, you know, things are depressing and I just don't super feel like doing it. I mean, I will do it obviously and I will make my deadline because I would not miss it, but yeah, I think I was just like kind of procrastinating by just being super into getting like the perfect stickers all situated and everything like that. And I filmed an Erin Cadron spread yesterday, and I spent like a bunch of time pulling stickers out for the next week and for this one and just everything, and also like procrastinating work stuff and procrastinating house stuff because we made settlement at the end of April and we're getting ready to do like construction, or we're in the beginning stages of that, I would call it. And it's just like so much. And it's a lot of phone calls and it's really hard to make phone calls when the kids are all awake. So that's been like cutting into my nap time, personal time, because it has to be done during the day. It's not like I can't be like calling companies at night. So it's just been like really annoying and just doing research on like lawn companies and alarm companies and getting quotes and all of that kind of stuff, which it's like once it's done it'll be nice because we want to have stuff for our house, but it's just been like a little bit intense. So I think I'm gonna use I just love these headers that it comes with, and I'm like wouldn't use them another time, so I think I will do 2 sets of headers this week. I just recorded a voiceover before I did this, so if I sound a little scratchy, that's why. That's just how my voice is. Anyway, I am, hopefully it's not too bad. I am gonna put down these headers and then do the checklists and the full boxes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I just put down the washi as well, and then I am gonna just get started with the week. And the first thing I'm gonna mark is on Monday. I just have my regular work thing that I will use this planning world icon to just go ahead and mark that. And then as well, my mom will come over to watch the kids on Monday, or help out with the kids, I will say, because with everyone home, it's not like a full-on babysitting thing, but she also does a lot of laundry while she's here and helps us with like all that stuff. So she's amazing is the basic bottom line of the story. So I am gonna use this heart from Planning World from a different icon sheet. I'm happy to get to use some of these. These are actually all like oops ones, but they are just like printed slightly off center, and it doesn't bother me at all. And then we will do lots of laundry, so I think I'm gonna grab one of these, and I don't know do I want to pair that with something? Is there any washi in the kit? Oh, there is. Okay. I'm gonna there's like these 2 solid strips, and I'm actually gonna cut this one in half to make it like a thin semi-washi type thing. But yeah, so anyway, this week we just have a lot of house stuff going on, and like I said, a lot of, and these are also from Planning World. I'm like using almost all Planning World stuff this week probably. So I'm gonna just put this a little bit off to the side like that. I just think that'll look cute, and then I can add one extra thing at the bottom that will be just like a TBD type thing. Oh, actually, we have like these 3rd size boxes, and I think one will fit down there. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And then basically I just sticker everything I know and have to do, and then I just leave, but I sticker the whole space. So if I don't know something, I still put a sticker down, and then I just fill it in with text as I go throughout the week. And I don't want to have to add any more stickers in throughout the week on these. So then Tuesday is trash day, and I actually have these like really cute ones from Simply Gilded. I'm gonna use this yellow one because I feel like that's gonna be a really hard color to use otherwise. And yeah, so then it's trash day. And I also want to mark down, we are having, or the lawn service at our new house is supposed to start on go for the first time on Tuesday. And we just want to because we don't live there yet, so we just want to just check and make sure, because they're actually supposed to do like the gutters and a little bit of other stuff too, more than just the lawn. So just check in to make sure that gets done. So I will mark those both down here. And then not really sure what we're gonna do on Tuesday. I'm probably gonna have to do some work. I'm gonna put this down just because our thing is coming out. Oh, actually, I know what my draft for the quarterly will be due on Wednesday. So I use this flag from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that. Again, I'm going to go with the yellow because I think it'll be a pretty hard color to otherwise use, and it does match this kit. I actually love yellow, but it is not like the easiest color to mix in. And then I don't think one of these boxes is gonna fit, so I would just leave myself some kind of icon or something for right here. And so this is actually perfect. It's like a clock, but we actually need to order like an alarm system, and I didn't have a specific day for that, or like we just need to figure that out. So I'll put that on Tuesday. That's a good day for that. And then on Wednesday, what's going on? Okay, so Wednesday I will have a video. So I'll put that right at the bottom. So I will mark that the same way I did the regular one on Monday, and I'll use the screen icon for that. I don't love the way that looks there. I'll mark that in the bottom section, and I'll put something else at the top. Hold on. All right, let me just kind of like work my way down here. So my daughter has a school Zoom on Wednesday, on every Wednesday. So that's been kind of fun. And then I'll mark the quarterly in the bottom part here. And because I probably will have to do some finishing up with that on Wednesday. And then I'll put something else up here. I'm not 100% sure, but I will just leave myself a little flag and probably like a bunch of follow-ups and stuff that I'll end up having to do, but whatever. I'm just going to use another flag right there to mark that. I just didn't like the way the icons looked so next to each other. And then on Thursday, my mom is coming over again to help out with the kiddos, and I will mark that the same way. So just grab this blue heart, and then I don't know what I'm going to be doing this day, because I probably won't have to do, hopefully if things went out on time, I won't have to do work, so we can just hang out and do whatever. I'm sure we'll also do some, well, we will do some laundry, but I'll put that in the bottom. Just like to mix things up a little, so I'm going to use one of these washing machine ones. To kind of mark that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for Thursday. I do want to just grab one of the little bows from the kit to use that to mark the videos. These bows are so cute. So we'll bow up the video there, and then on to I have to put this, the Friday. Okay, so Friday, this is really exciting. The architect is coming to the house, or we have to go let him in. We're gonna leave him there, and he's gonna take all his measurements and everything to get everything for our construction project all drawn up. So some of it just needs like architect for permitting purposes, etc. So that's really exciting. My husband met with him like last Friday and with the contractor. Then the big thing I'll need to do on Friday is we'll call it like grocery listing. I feel like I should use this to mark actual groceries. Let me see if I have something else. Oh, I could use one of these hearts with like the meal icon, if you will. Okay, so basically we have only been going every other week to get groceries now, and this weekend my husband will go. So I need to do like the grocery listing. We did full inventory of everything we need, etc. And then I'll just put this down while I'm holding it, because Saturday we'll get groceries. And then I'm gonna put down this and I'm gonna mark like remembering to FaceTime my aunt and uncle. We've been trying to call them once a week. And I also am gonna probably paint my nails. I've been painting my nails on Friday. I've been like, my nails, I had like a breakage issue, and so they got really really short, and I've been trying, I have like these gel sticker things from Dashing Diva, and I can't wait to try them, but I wanted to wait till they like grew in and were a little bit healthier. So I'm hoping maybe at the end of this week, they'll be like enough. Otherwise, I'll just paint them again this week. I'm actually getting pretty good at painting them, and I ordered some Olive and June polishes too, which will hopefully come soon. I don't know what we're gonna be doing on Saturday, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this full box here besides, you know, the groceries. And then I will figure something out for the bottom here. And then what else we got? Oh, Saturday I also have a video, so I will just go ahead and put this, and I'll just put it here. It doesn't really matter. And I will use another bow sticker to mark that. These are so cute and tiny. And then, okay, I don't know what else for Saturday, but maybe we'll do some cleaning. So I'll go ahead and get this vacuum going there. That's really cute. That's from Station Stickers. I think that might be the Station Stickers, oh, and the Simply Gilded stuff. But besides that, I've used like all Planning World. Oh, actually, this is perfect because I was saying I want to paint my nails, and this is like a bunch of nail polish. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that deco kind of functionally there. Okay, then Sunday is my big relaxing day. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one more of these Clever Gal Crafts flags, and I will put that up here to be whatever it is that needs to get done. And then I will also do planning. All right, let's just see what we can fit in here. I don't think I have any specific, I don't have any specific plans for the weekend, except for planning for the next week, which is what I've been doing. I think I'm gonna have to go grab the baby. I'm not sure if you can hear her, but it sounds like she just woke up. So I will be right back to finish up. I was so close to being able to do this in all one go, which is like the dream. Anyway, I am gonna use this coffee cup here. I won't be getting takeout coffee, but we like to have a lazy Sunday morning, if you will. And then it's Mother's Day today, so my husband has the big kids out. They went to go throw rocks in this pond that they like to throw rocks in. And he usually does that on Sundays though, so just so I can get a little break from the kiddos. The baby is a little too small to be away from me for like an extended amount of time. So that is that. That's everything I think that I need to mark down. I love how this looks. It's so rainbow. So I am gonna go ahead and finish up like the washi and setting up my notes page, and I will be back. Okay, that's everything. I am so obsessed with this. I love the pastel rainbow vibes. This is just so, so gorgeous. So let me show you the back page there as well. And that is everything. I will fill this out throughout the week, and I will use the pen gems that I keep in this planner to fill it out. It does have a Pilot gel insert inside of it, but that is everything. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye.